$600. Let's see. Sign. Switch game. Guys, this is Switch game. Online membership. Air. Some more air. Until Switch case. And we have a Nintendo Switch. Oh my god, this is as heavy as carrying an Xbox Series X. Oh, so guys, where is it? Guys, I know how to open this through this tiny little, Oh, I didn't expect it to be this big. The Switch controllers, I didn't expect them to be this big. LZR joystick. The joystick is pretty tiny. I expected it to be bigger. The joystick, why is the screen so giant? Why the giant? To me, it's like as big as a Steam Deck. It's so big. I realize I need a screen protector for this. Can't totally get it out. The stand, open it from here so it doesn't. Oh, wait, listen. And look, you can't just take it out. We'll get damaged. Press this button, easily slide out. Oh, gotta be careful. Turn it on. Guys, look. Come on. Come on. Oh. Ready? Dum, dum, dum. This is huge. How do my fingers even come onto here? At the card. Obviously speak English. Turn it off. Guys, I just turned it off. The game. Is this the game slot? Guys, I'm not going to put in the game now, but is this the game card? Wow. How nice. Little ASMR for you. Home and screenshot button. Charging. Guys, this is huge. Since I've seen this and a Steam Deck is bigger, I expect this Steam Deck to be as big as my head. Wait. I forgot that there's the HDMI, the controller grip. Hallelujah. We got the AC adapter / charger to me, the straps for sports and multiplayer other games, the dock, the Nintendo Switch Home, Let's pull out his home. I heard that the OLED had a new port. Come on, what port does it have? Okay, it has LAN port. I have no idea what a LAN is. Just put this back. How do I put this? Oh, this goes here. Much better. The dock, yeah. I'll just take off the Joy-Cons gently. Nice. Okay, let's just not take off that Joy-Con. Let's just slide it in the controller grip. Wow, my Switch is literally going to turn into an Xbox. Now, there's nothing else. See ya, guys. See you in the next video. See ya.